to Spirit
Vidyalaya.
And you are mostly welcome to Spirit Vidyalaya, India's most promising bartending school. And here's the founders, Mr. Uttam Singh, one of my great friend, and one more founder, Saurav Singh, one of my great friend.
Yeah.
So we are about to open our school within few days, and we are waiting for you guys. Friends, this school is totally different as compared to any in our country. What are we going to provide? I mean to say, उत्तम तुम क्या बोलना चाहोगे? मतलब क्या हम लोग देने वाले हैं students को?
हम स्टूडेंट को ये देने वाले हैं कि जो भी आप लोग देख रहे हैं, जो इंटरनेशनल लेवल का चीज़ है, जो कि बहुत हाई फाई है और अब्रॉड में लोग पढ़ते हैं जा जाके, वो चीज़ हम लोग बहुत ही इजीली आपको कैलकाटा में आराम से, मतलब इंडिया में सिखा सकते हैं। आसान भाषा में हम लोग आपको हिंदी में एक्सप्लेन करेंगे, बंगाली में एक्सप्लेन करेंगे, इंग्लिश में एक्सप्लेन करेंगे, आप लोग इजीली हर चीज़ समझ पाओगे।
And
so no language barrier.
Exactly.
No language.
And so there shouldn't be something like that ki where you have to go and spend money and you have to leave your country and you have to leave your state and something. So we are here in Calcutta to get everything what you are getting there in abroad. We will be doing here right here in the Spirit Vidyalaya.
And very soon we are inviting very big bartenders from abroad also.
So there were so many exciting news are waiting for you, and we are slowly revealing one by one. Acha, so Uttam, I have one more question regarding behalf of my students. तुम बताओ कि जब कोई बंदे enroll करने के लिए आएंगे, so what we are offering? I mean to say, जैसे कि होता है ना, हम लोग कुछ दिन पहले डिसाइड किए थे कि हम लोग स्कॉलरशिप भी देंगे स्टूडेंट्स को जो टैलेंटेड बंदा है, तो उसके बारे में थोड़ा सा बता दो।
Yes, Dada, we decided. We already discussed about that. So हम अपना एक प्रोग्राम स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं. People who are really interested for bartending, जिसका इंटरेस्ट होगा, means somebody who is really like get some potential और उसको real इंटरेस्ट है bartending में, वो अगर हमको दिखा, for sure हमको दिख जाएगा कि हाँ he is searching for something, उसके अंदर कुछ है, तो we will give scholarship for sure. और प्लस यहाँ पे हमारे साथ में, जैसे कि हमारा जो ये bartending स्कूल है, इसके साथ में we are also doing bar catering. तो जो भी अगर यहाँ पे आ रहा है, तो इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि ही इज स्पेंडिंग मनी, ही इज ऑल्सो अर्निंग मनी फॉर श्योर. ओके, और जितना भी स्पेंड करेगा उससे ज़्यादा ही अर्न करके जाएगा, दैट्स तो फॉर श्योर.
So Saurav, what extraordinary we are providing to the students?
So Dada, the thing is that extraordinary take extra time and extra things.
Correct.
So what I am doing is, and what we are going to do and what we have planned the program is about कि I am not going to teach people here. It's like हर पढ़ाई, everything we are going to inculcate in their mind. मतलब हम ऐसा नहीं है कि हम बुक लेके पढ़ाएंगे, नोट्स लेकर. So my study procedure, exactly, my study procedure and everything is totally different. So that's why we are saying that we are coming up with something different in India. The most exciting part of our Spirit Vidyalaya is our bartending lab, which has been equipped with highly all modern equipments, where people will be learning about lots of modern techniques. What you have seen the sneak peeks in before of our post, where Dada have post.
Like this.
Yeah,
Nitrogen
a lot.
and
Yes. It's not just about only alcohol. It's beyond that, where we'll be teaching about cigar, where we'll be teaching about coffee, where we'll be teaching about tea.
Correct. So see you very soon. Here is the numbers. आप अगर उस नंबर पे जाओगे, कॉल करोगे, तो आपको तुरंत कोर्स के बारे में डिटेल मालूम चल जाएगा. तो गुड बाय बोलने से पहले सब मिलके एक साथ बोलेंगे जय हो. हाँ, तो जय हो.